We're the first generation in humankind who has stood in front of radiation for 40 years and expected nothing to happen from it.
We've seen this change and awareness like I've never seen before. Don't think about your time right now in the lab. Think about what your life's going to be like when you retire.
Every medical meeting I go to, people talk about this.
So many interventional cardiologists suffer from this. My mission is to help protect all of us.
My wife will tell me I walk like my father when I wake up in the morning.
Taking care of our staff is the most important role that we do.
I couldn't functionally use my arms. I couldn't stand.
We were not interested in technologies that just protected one person in the room.
My main focus was not only my own safety, but the safety of my staff.
Physicians have to be willing to look at new technology.
We have this new thing we want you to try, and I'm not good at new things.
If something's not easy to use, it's not going to happen. I'm not going to use it.
For peripheral intervention, it's a whole nother animal.
The vision is to replace X-ray with MRI.
Anybody who's exposed to that much radiation on their day-to-day definitely needs to have that level of protection.